Emancipation. Jubilee, Jubilee, this is the year of Jubilee. August morning come again, August morning come again. Jubilee, Jubilee, this is the year of Jubilee. Queen Victoria set we free, this is the year of Jubilee. Yes, man, Emancipation Day, Jubilee free. You can imagine the festivities on that day. Tell you, man, 1834 was when they abolished slavery. No, slavery from 1807 or thereabout, the act get into place, but it never reached till 1834 when they free up. And guess what? We still never get full free. It was only children, I think children under 2 and under, them did free, but everybody else in office still a work for massa, and them did their work and a pay off ownership. So it wasn't until another 4 years, 1838, before we get full freedom, full free. And when you hear people talk about full free, that's what they mean. So even though they had the abolition of slavery from 1834, it was not until 1838 that we did get full free. Yes, man, that time picnic now and big people and everybody feel full free. And that's when we became emancipated. 1834, the 1st of August. So today, 1st of August, we are celebrating emancipation. Yes, man. Jubilee, Jubilee. This is the year of Jubilee. August garden come again. August morning. And I tell you, they did have the Brookings. Yes, man. The Brookings dance, I wish you could have seen the whole movement. But I tell you something, Brookings are the traditional Jamaican dance, and Brookings they come about with the with emancipation. So when you see we have with festivities and stuff around emancipation and independence, and the Brookings are gone, we don't get into it because a part of we, and it tell a story. It tell a very good story of, you have 2 different set of generation. You have the slave them and them coming out, and then you have the royalty them and how them do them thing. But that is another story for another time. Yes, but if you enjoy and understand what emancipation did mean for our ancestors them. So guess what? This is Dr. Sue, and this is Culture Corner with Dr. Sue. So I'm going to read this one for you. It is called Emancipation. August morning come again. Emancipation Day we are celebrating, my friend. August 1st, to be exact. A reminder which is a historical fact. The abolition of the slave trade led to the Abolition Act. That led to apprenticeship, which put emancipation on track. But today we declare a day of jubilee. Remember, say, we free from slavery, full free. Yes. Though it don't mean the same to all of we, by any chance. For some have interest to protect, and some have interest to advance. But however we choose to celebrate, we give thanks to the Almighty for we faith. We know strong and proud for nothing. As a people, we earn with position pan this year's steeple. So August morning come again. This is the time of jubilee. Hey, make we set with soul and with mind and with body free. And as we approach this year independence, remember, this is Jamaica. Fury, Jamaica. Yes, man. Jubilee, Jubilee. This is the year of Jubilee. August morning come again. August morning come again. Yes, Jubilee. Happy, happy emancipation to honor all. So guess what? Thanks for joining me here on Jamaicans.com. Big up to Jamaicans.com. And if you don't want to hear more about Dr. Sue and her book and her poem, them, you know, just visit our website now. Learn about her. She's on Dr. Sue and You. That's DRSUEAND and the letter U.com. Dr. Sue and Go. You know what? Good. Enjoy the season and may good up your walk with, you know.